guys. So tiling's basically done. The only thing's left is to mastic the corners and around the shower and around the top properly. So what I'm going to do now, before I can do that, I'm just going to run around, make good where I've knocked the ceilings, or where other people have knocked the ceilings and the walls, touch them up, and then I've got some actual bathroom paint, well, just what I could get in OB, which is suitable for bathrooms. So I'll give everything a coat of that paint, and I can joint the, I can grout the joints of the tiles on the floor with white and then do the hallway at the same time. I just wanted to cover everything up, get all the dirty stuff done, paint and filler, before I did the grout or anything like that on the floor. But yeah, everything's covered up, ready to go. It's just time to apply some filler. Fun, fun, fun.
Unsaid